Are Gillette razors allowed in carry-on luggage?
Hello everyone! If you're a frequent traveler, you've probably found yourself wondering about what items you can and can't take with you in your carry-on luggage. Today, we're going to focus on a very common item, the Gillette Razor. Can you take it on a plane in your carry-on bag? Let's find out.
What are the sauce rules about razors?
The Transportation Security Administration, TSA, has a set of guidelines about what can and cannot be brought onto an airplane. According to these guidelines, disposable and cartridge razors such as Gillette razors are allowed in carry-on luggage. The TSA considers disposable razors to be safe as they usually come with a built-in guard that cannot be removed.
What about straight and safety razors?
Now, you might be wondering about other types of razors. It's important to note that while disposable razors are allowed, the rules are different for safety razors and straight razors. The TSA does not allow safety razors and straight razors in carry-on luggage unless they are without blades. These types of razors typically have removable blades that can potentially be used as a weapon.
What's the best way to pack your razor?
When it comes to packing your razor, it's best to place it in a protective case or hard-shell toiletry bag to prevent any accidental cuts or nicks. This will also protect the razor from damage. Remember to remove the blade from safety razors if you decide to pack them in your carry-on. Traveling can be stressful, but knowing the rules can help. When it comes to Gillette razors, you can rest easy knowing that you can bring them in your carry-on luggage. But remember, safety and straight razors need to be blade-free to join you in the cabin. Have a safe journey and remember to pack wisely.